Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about error LC-208 in Overwatch 2. I'm gonna share with you their official update about this error and as well possible solutions. So for the official update, as we can see here, in October 10 there was an official release regarding this update. We implemented fixes for LC-208, but there are some players still experiencing other errors in this category. The team will continue to work on additional fixes. So the good news is that some players, their error LC-208 has been resolved, but other didn't, and we need to wait for additional fixes. During this time, instead of waiting, I'm gonna share with you a couple of solutions which you can apply, and hopefully this will resolve this error. As a first solution, what you can do, go to the toolbar here, right click on it and click on Task Manager. Look for battle.net, select it, right click on it and click on End Task. Once this is done, try again to log into the game and check if this error has been resolved. If that didn't work for you, go to the search toolbar and type CMD. Command prompt will appear as a best match. Click on Run as Administrator. Here type netsh, netsh space winsock, winsock space reset, enter, and then type ipconfig, one word, space flushdns and enter. Now close command prompt and restart your PC, then log into the game and check if this error has been resolved. If that didn't work for you as well, let's now apply solution number 3. Go to the search toolbar and type Control Panel. Control Panel will appear as a best match. Click on it and then click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on the left side on Change Adapter Settings. Then go to Wi-Fi and right click on it. Then click on Properties. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it. Then click on Properties. And click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK. And then close it. Now go to the game and check if this error has been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, go again to the search toolbar to apply solution number 4. Type Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates as a best match. You will see Check for Updates. Click on that. Here click on Check for Updates and go ahead and install any pending update that you might have. And then go back to the game and check if that error has been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, as a last solution which you can apply, click on Home here. And then click on Network and Internet. Then scroll down and click on Network Reset. And then click on Reset Now. Then restart your PC and check if that error has been resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.